What I'm about to show you may upset every single sandy top LandCruiser owner in Australia, but that's why we love it. Let's go check it out. This workmate white boy is giving off those Woody Harrelson vibes. It just got cool.
Why not? Because I'm white. Because he's white. Because he is white. Look at him, man. What you want?
Alrighty, so let me run you guys through why this thing actually just got cool. I think this is how it should be done. So straight from the dealer, right to our door, pre-registration, we have gone with a Superior 4-inch leaf kit setup, remote res shocks, all the goods, and you actually end up with a 4200 GVM, mind you, as well. So this thing not only has 4 inches of lift, 35-inch tyres legally, you actually get a GVM 4200, which makes it stupidly practical, especially if you're going to throw a massive load into the tray. Alrighty, let's talk about some more accessories other than the GVM setup pre-rego. Ironman raid bar. If you guys didn't know, Ironman has got right into their raid bar series and their Apex series as well. But this has got to be my favorite in that particular style. These things are great. They're a full bumper replacement for most vehicles. Winch compatible, light bars integrated as well. You can opt for different types of fog lights in here also. They're just sleek. They're really nice looking, and they house everything that you need as well. You've got holes in the top here for some spotties if you want to go down that road, but clean, neat, simple. I like it. Alrighty, another essential upgrade for the 70 series, mind you, most four-wheel drives. Snorkels, guys, get yourself a snorkel if you're thinking about doing any type of off-roading, river crossing, especially, obviously, because you don't want water in your intake. So R-Max has gone on to the 70 series. This is the new version of the R-Max. If you didn't realize, for obviously the facelift, you can get these for most other models and makes that are coming out now. But check it, it's got the new intake ram head at the top. This thing is 25% more air from there into your airbox, and you are breathing heavily down the highway.
God damn!
I'm going to say not only a towing necessity, but definitely a necessity for the 70 series, because you guys know how much I hate the genuine mirrors. But anyway, good old clear views. These are the next gens. They do compacts and all sorts of different shapes and sizes now for depending on what vehicle you have, obviously. That's my favorite word for this episode. But you know, extendo, auto, not extendo, auto. And it's got your top glass and your bottom glass for different points of view. Alrighty, just so you can step on up into your 70 series, I've got some fully sick, wrapped, new style fat bar sliders. Anyway, the car's going back to the dealer, so I'm trying to keep this thing as tidy as I can, because then our customer will be picking it up straight from those guys. But yes, fat bar sliders on the 70 series. Can't beat them. These things are freaking rugged, and they're definitely going to keep your sills nice and safe if you get into a real sticky situation, that is. All right, you can't beat the machined rims from Method. These are the 312s, if you didn't know. They are a load rated rim as well. Obviously, there you go, there's that key word again. It's a necessity if you're in the GVM space. I know I keep saying it, but you have to know about it. Maxxis Razor ATs on this bad boy in the 35 by 12.5s, 17-inch rim. They just look hot. It's vibing for me. I'm loving it.
It's pretty. It's so pretty.
Finish it all off. You can't go without a tray for a dual cab cruiser, and here it is, the new Norweld Elite tray. If you realize on the top, guys, they've got their brand new headboard set up for this particular tray. This guy's gone with color-coded sides, toolboxes, and they got this nice new dressing that goes along the side now instead of the old school checker plate. But don't worry, if you still want that, you can actually get that with the previous tray, I think. All right, another must-have for the 70 series. I know it might seem stupidly simple, but Department of Interior, center console. This, if you don't do anything else in the interior of the car, brings it into 2025 instantaneously. So get yourselves one of these things. So we've done that. That way you've got cup holders, you've got somewhere to put your phone and your keys, a couple of extra charging points. But doing that with your arm, when you don't have that, you're just hating yourself and you're hating life. So definitely a must-have for a 70 series dual cab. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the episode, give us a thumbs up because it really helps us out. If you didn't like the episode, subscribe to the channel anyway. That way you can see my ugly face next week. Okay, love you, see you, bye. Oh man, can't jump. It just got deadly. This work, mate. What? Work.